If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If the customer pays you more than is due, you can enter the entire amount received into the Receive Payments window. The amount left over after you have applied the entire amount to outstanding invoices will appear within the Overpayment area at the bottom left corner of the Receive Payments window. You can then select an option button in this area to indicate what you want QuickBooks to do with this overpayment. You can select the Leave the Credit to be Used Later option button to receive the money and issue a customer credit in the amount of the overpayment, or select the Refund the Amount to the Customer option button to issue a refund check to the customer when you save the transaction. Select the desired option button and then click either the Save and Close or Save and New buttons to save the transaction window and either generate a credit or issue a refund check. If you choose to issue a credit to the customer for the amount overpaid, you can apply that credit to future invoices for that specific customer or customer job, and only that specific customer or customer job. You can also issue the customer a refund check later on for the amount overpaid if it turns out they will not be needing the credit for any future invoices. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.